Introducing Sequins from Altenew. Providing various colors, Altenew Sequins are perfect for dressing up any paper crafting projects. They come in these adorable glass containers with a cork stopper. Each bottle contains about 22 grams of sequins in sizes of 3mm, 6mm, and 8mm. You can use any liquid adhesives to adhere these to your projects. They are not only great for adding accents or finishing touches, but also great for creating shaker cards for added fun. You can purchase these sequins in individual bottles or as a bundle for a special price. To find out more about the Altenew sequins and fresh inspirations using these products, please visit us at altenew.com.